The video that you see on your screen has gone over 1.1 million views, over 1,000 shares, over 153,000 likes, and generated over 800 comments in the last 4 or 5 days. And in this video, I'm going to show you how going viral on TikTok is actually much easier than you can imagine. We're going to take a look at the video, then I'm going to tell you the theory behind it, how I was able to go viral, and how you can do it too. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so just 5 short days ago, I uploaded this simple 58-second video. We're going to watch this video and I'm going to kind of walk you through the process of how I was able to go viral and how I'm able to do it almost on command. I've had other videos that have generated over 500,000 views, over 600,000 views, and in this one, it generated over 1 million in less than 3 days. So let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at this video. I'm going to let it run all the way through, and then we're going to take a look again. I'm going to pause it and talk about some things here that can help you go viral. Now, this can work for any niche. This can work for anything that you're selling or giving away. This works for just about anything. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video in its entirety so that you can see exactly what I did and how you can do it too. Alright, so I'm outside pumping my gas and I see this sticker here. I did that. And it got me to thinking, where to buy these types of stickers. Guess what I did? I typed in where to buy, spelled buy wrong, Joe Biden stickers. Top result takes me over to Amazon. When I take a look, Amazon has an affiliate program where I could make money by promoting these stickers. It's only $4.89, but I actually would make a commission on everything in the cart. So if they bought these stickers and then they bought a paintbrush and spray paint and laundry detergent, I could potentially earn a commission, but there's more. I went over to my keyword research tool and typed in where to buy, and there are 13 million monthly searches. There are over 2 million keywords where simply people are asking questions like where to buy. We could be an affiliate for Amazon again, promote PS5. We could create content, and there's actually affiliate programs for crypto. If a product can be bought and sold online, you can make money from it with affiliate marketing. Let me know what you think. All right, so if we take a look at the very beginning, in general, so how I make my videos over on TikTok is very simple. I take something that people know and combine it with something that people don't know. And then in fact, I might try and sprinkle in something that's trending or something that is important to a large amount of people. That's the method that I use to go viral. It's also called hook, story, and offer. So if we look at the screen here, my hook is 2 things. 1, finding money in the real world. That's going to hook people in. And then this sticker, if you've ever gotten gas in the United States, you know that these stickers are everywhere. And so this is a hot button trending topic. The gas is trending in hot button, and these Joe Biden stickers are trending in hot button. So if we just let this play through here, I just kind of walk through my process. I'm going to mute this time. I just walk through my process of how I would go about trying to make money. Now, this is a real video in the fact that I actually didn't know how to buy these stickers. A lot of the comments on this post here will say you didn't know how to buy stickers, but in general, people don't know how to buy stuff. In fact, I showed you over on Ahrefs in this video how to buy or where to buy is searched 13 million times per month, and that's an opportunity to make money. A lot of people actually missed the whole entire purpose of this video because they were arguing about random stuff. But if we look at this, I just simply walk through the process. If I was a consumer and I wanted to get my own Joe Biden stickers, I would ask this question, where to buy, and I spelled buy wrong, as I said in this video, where to buy Joe Biden stickers. But if we let this play here again, I got the dirty screen, don't mind that. I show you that I went from consumer to content creator or affiliate marketer in the blink of a hat, at the drop of a hat, by saying, okay, well, if it's being sold over on Amazon, I could potentially make money from it. And then I continue to walk you through the process of how I could make money with it. I actually don't talk about how you can make money from it at all, but I show you that, hey, you could make money from these stickers. Yes, it's only $4.89, but as an affiliate for Amazon Associates, you could make money on the entire cart. So let's say they buy these stickers and then they buy laundry detergent and a microphone and I don't know, a PC. You have the opportunity to make money off of that. And so throughout this process, you want to think about your videos in a hook, story, offer type of format. Hook is going to be something that draws them in. Finding money in the real world and a picture of Joe Biden stickers. Now, I guarantee you that just about everyone over on TikTok has seen those stickers and they have an opinion about it one way or another. Now, if you watch this video, I don't comment, I don't make any political opinions or statements based on the sticker. I simply show you the process of going from no knowledge to some knowledge and then how you could make money from that new knowledge. But again, if we walk through this video, you're going to see that I show you, okay, so I found out I found out where I could buy those Joe Biden stickers. And in fact, that led me to thinking, okay, if people are asking where to buy Joe Biden stickers, are they also asking where to buy other things? Now, the other key to making money and going viral on TikTok, in my opinion, is to respond to any comments with a video comment, or as many as you can. And that's one thing that I like to do is I'll respond to these comments. And the reason why that's so popular, and if we look at all of these other videos since, they're all responses with the exception of this one. The reason why this works is because what happens is people that will see this video maybe didn't see the initial video. So if we pause this again, and they're going to click on this comment to see the original video. And it doesn't work on the desktop version, but it works on the app. And so if you've ever been on TikTok, which I'm sure you are, if you're watching this, they'll see this, they'll see this comment, they'll click on the comment, they'll view the comment, and then they'll go back and view the original video. So that's what you should do. You should start every video before you make it, you should have a hook, story, and offer already thought up. That's going to help you get in front of the people that you are wanting to get in front of. That's going to increase your chances of going viral. Now, one mistake that I actually did with this video that has over 1 million views is I didn't offer anything. Now, the offer can be to like, comment, and share. The offer can be to click the link in the description. Usually, I'll also have something down here that says, go to alstongodbolt.com/TikTok, and people will do that. But when you format all of your videos, before you create your first video, before you create your next video, I should say, you're going to think of a hook, a story, and an offer. I have 2 visual hooks right here. Your story is going to simply pay off the hook, and the story is going to be you inviting them to take the next step. The next step can be to like, comment, share, check out your YouTube channel. It can be to subscribe on Instagram. It can be to click the link in your bio or click the link in the description. And when you do this, this increases your chances to go viral. If we scroll through, if I can find it real quick, I also did the exact same process with a target. I showed, and this was about a year ago, it had about 600,000 views. I wish I could sort by views, but the process was really simple. It said how to make money with Target without working for Target. And that's a process that I'll use over and over again. I did the exact same thing with Bath & Body Works a few months ago around the Christmas holiday season. Again, how to make money with Bath & Body Works without working for Bath & Body Works. Now you can see sometimes not all of these are winners, but when you create content that has a hook, story, and offer format, that increases your chances of getting thousands of views and getting people to do whatever it is that you want them to do. Now I'm trying to find this video real quick, 2,600 views. Now, as you can see here, not all of my videos are just through the roof, and you don't need all of your videos to go through the roof. You just need to have 1 or 2 videos that go semi-viral or viral, and your account, your profile can really take off. Now I'm trying to find it. Maybe it got taken down for community guidelines, but most of my videos follow the exact same format. And the other thing that I recommend is having 1 niche per YouTube channel. So this niche, this video, this TikTok account is all about teaching people different tips and tricks to make money. I don't talk about my personal life. I don't talk about anything else but different tips and tricks that I discover to make money. It looks like I've been scrolling for a little while and I don't see it, but the video again had, I would say, probably close to 100,000 views at one point, about how to make money with Bath and Body Works without working for Bath and Body Works. The reason why that one works is because I perceive that TikTok is a heavily female or woman dominated social media platform, and so a lot of women know and understand what Bath and Body Works is, but they did not know that they could make money without having to be an employee of Bath and Body Works. As you can see here, if we keep scrolling, it feels like we're scrolling forever, but there are lots of these different videos, and you can do the same thing. I think the video got taken down. You can do the same thing with your pet niche. You can do the same thing with weight loss, whatever it may be. You actually might have an easier time of going viral if you're in those other niches, because the make money online niche is, I would say, heavily regulated, where not a lot of people are able to create content and go viral. It's kind of suppressed a little bit. But the main point of this video is simply to, you want to make sure that you have a hook, story, and offer. You want to make sure that you are talking about something that your audience knows, combine it with something that they don't know, and then add in something that's trending or just a little bit controversial if you feel comfortable. Now that you know how to earn 1 million views on TikTok, click the first link in the description for my free Unemployee Handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Oh, here's the video. So we look at this video here. Here's another easy video. This video generated over 600,000 views, and it's a stupid simple way to make money on Etsy. And I walk people through the process of doing that. As I was saying, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free Unemployee Handbook. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.